It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
What's up, gang? Welcome to my channel. My name is Farhan, and first of all, I want to thank everyone who subscribed to my channel. This is very exciting for me, and it's really fun doing this vlogging thing or doing my car stuff and share my passion to you guys. So I really appreciate you guys. But anyways, in this episode, I just want to speed things up a bit, and by going through some random spots that I have not yet covered underneath or everywhere in the car. So that's which means that's gonna be the dirts, rust, etc. So just all that random stuff that I want to go through. So the reason for is to minimize the process of this project as much as possible. Alright, so with that being said, thank you guys. Let's go ahead and get started with this video. Peace. order to remove the bumper, you're going to need a 10mm ratcheting wrench to remove the nuts. You will have to remove the plastic nut for clearance before you even get to the bottom nuts. Now finally, after you remove the vent, you have 3 10mm nuts to remove on this side. One on top, and then you got the middle, and the one below. Now you have to do the same scenario on the other side now. Yo! What is this, dude? And a can of soda Coca-Cola. I basically had to remove this vent right here. It's little plastic, so there's like 2 little, see little brackets right there. So 2 little holes right there, and has a 10mm. So you have to actually snag it outer way and to get that off. So and this came with it. Marijuana. flip it up just like that. I'm gonna give you guys a little rundown on how I did my taping here. As you can see in this edge, I actually had one layer of tape right there, and this is where I paint. And the second layer right there, before I put the plastic on, mask it, I actually fold this up, fold this, and then just fold it a little bit, crease it, just like that. And then now you put in the plastic layer. And that's how I did it.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.